Hey guys, today we are going to create a Django project inside our computer. Okay, so in order to create it, I'm going to use my normal command line. Okay, so just go and type cmd and there will be the pop-up will gonna come just like this. Okay, so after that I just wanted to create this particular project on desktop, so I have to navigate through desktop. Okay, so now I'm on the desktop and type dr, and here you can see that all of these directory is having these folders. Okay, and in order to make a folder I need to type a mkdir command, and then after that I will gonna type the folder name. Okay, so let's say Django website, and it will automatically gonna create this particular folder. So here you can see this is the file and this is the folder that we have just created. Okay, so after that what I'll gonna do, basically I'll gonna do make changes inside this particular command line, and whatever I'm doing right here, it will gonna reflect on the folder. Okay, inside the folder. So basically we are going to install these particular thing. Okay, so in order to install our Django, we need two things. First thing is Python, so go to the command line and type Python. This is the Python version that I'm having right now. Okay, and after that we need a pip, that is a Python package man. I don't know, like pip, you have to install pip. Okay, in order to extract all of the files that are related to pip will allow you to install many things. Like pip is very useful and very handy thing, so you have to install it first. Okay, so after having pip and Python in your computer, what do you need to do? Just go to the desktop, type python -m virtual environment. Basically we have to create a virtual environment in order to install our Python. So first thing I have to navigate through this folder, because I was out of the folder. So now I can say that this is the way I can install my virtual environment. So python -m virtual environment, then you have to give the name of the virtual environment. So after giving the name, it will gonna create a folder, and after it will gonna extract all of the packages that are available in the virtual environment. Okay, so let me show you that what are these packages are. Okay, so get inside the folder, and here you can see these are the folders that are available. Okay, and there are lots of files inside it, you can see. Okay, so it is extracting right now. Okay, and we have to go through all of these. I mean, you have to go to the script and we have to go for the activation. Now our virtual environment have been created, and let's activate this particular thing. Okay, so in order to activate it, we have to see where we are right now, and so basically we have to get inside our virtual environment and we have to go to the scripts folder. So get inside it by typing the same command that I have shown to you. Okay, and we have to go to the scripts folder. Okay, and here is the script folder, so cd scripts. Then after that there will be a activate file. So we have to let's type dir, and you will then say like this is the activate file that we are going to activate. Okay, so in order to activate it, you just need to type only activate command. Okay, so just write activate, and here you can see our virtual environment have been activated, and yeah, that's it. That's how you can easily install it and activate it. So let's go back, roll back. Okay, in order to do that, let's type cd space ... So you have to roll back to the same folder where you are. Okay, and out of the virtual environment, you have to install your Django. Okay, so in order to install our Django, we have to type pip install Django, and that's it. This is the simple way of simple command of installing Django. I'm gonna pause this video, and after installation I'll come. So now it has been installed, and there is a command that there's a pop-up we are having, and this is the command that we need to type in order to upgrade our pip. It is saying that your pip is not upgraded, so you have to type whole command. I mean, it is not recommended, and if you want to do that, you may. So I'm doing it so I can show you that how you can upgrade your pip as well. Okay, so after the installation of the pip, what do you need to do? Basically, we successfully install our pip, we successfully installed our virtual environment, created our virtual environment. Now this is the time where we install our Django project. Okay, so in order to install our Django project, we have to type the command Django admin, and then there's a keyword that is start project in order to create a project. So type a start project and then the project name that you are going to give for your Django project. Okay, so I'm going to give the Django website kind of. So after it will gonna create a folder, and that is a Django, that is a Django folder. Okay, now as you can see, we successfully created this particular Django project, and we have to navigate through it. And I'm going to look at my manage.py file. So first we have to navigate inside the folder, and after that type the dir command, and this is the manage.py we are seeing right over here. Okay, so just type python manage.py run server command, and it will gonna give you a very basic basic server. So it will gonna automatically create a server for you, and there will be server address. So this is the server address, this is the local server address that you are getting right now, and this is the link that you need to type on your browser, whatever the browser you are having on Chrome and on Internet Explorer, wherever you want to put this URL. And after that, putting it, you're gonna see the exact newly installed Django project. So this is how you can easily install it. And later I'll gonna show you how you can create other things, like how you can create your application inside your Django project, how you can do modification in your URLs, and how you can do modification in your models, how you can create models, views, your first views. So all of those things I will gonna cover. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys, and this is how you can install it. And let me show you that how this server is running. So let me reload it, and here you can see these are the server responses they are giving us. So thanks for watching, and bye bye. Hope you see in the next tutorial. Take care.